The Hundred Years' War ostensibly began when King Edward III of England claimed the French throne through his royal lineage. However, the real motive behind the conflict was the desire of both England and France to control the prosperous trade routes that connected the north and south of Europe, specifically targeting the valuable Flanders trade zone, situated between England and France. Flanders became a focal point of their rivalry. England had long-standing ties with the Flanders trade zone. Due to its infertile land, England focused on pastoral farming, particularly sheep farming, to produce wool. English wool was exported to Flanders, where skilled craftsmen turned it into high-quality textiles. This economic interdependence created a strong bond between England and Flanders. For England, controlling Flanders was crucial. By excluding French influence, England could manage the wool production process more efficiently and secure profits. The textile merchants of Flanders also preferred English rule over French domination, as it was more profitable for them. This economic competition led to the outbreak of the Hundred Years' War. Although England initially gained the upper hand, French resistance remained formidable. During the war, a significant phenomenon occurred. Many textile merchants from Flanders began relocating to England due to economic disruptions and unstable wool supplies. One concrete example is the migration of numerous Flemish textile merchants to England between 1348 and 1350. In 1351, the English Parliament recorded that textile craftsmen from Flanders have settled in London and Norwich. Additionally, in 1363, Flemish weavers established textile factories in Yorkshire and Lancashire. This migration was driven by the war, which made economic activities in Flanders difficult, prompting many merchants to seek stability and cheaper raw materials in England. Before the war began in 1339, England was primarily a raw material exporter. However, after 1350, with the arrival of Flemish craftsmen, England began producing and exporting textile products. By the end of the war in 1453, the entire wool production process was established within England, transforming the country into a leading trading nation. Having acquired the technology and capital from Flanders, England no longer needed Flanders territory and withdrew from the continent in 1453. While it is often said that Joan of Arc led France to victory, and that England was defeated, England's withdrawal was a strategic decision. A defeated nation could not achieve such rapid economic growth after the war. It is more accurate to say that England, having gained what it needed, wisely chose to withdraw.